Brad Williams, Excel Prime, we're converting Excel time over to Unix and then back. It's straightforward. Unix, 1970, the epoch date. Notion behind Unix is seconds. And we're converting, I don't know, this date here, which is configured wrong. It should be a short date. We're just going to convert this date over into Unix time. All we're doing is taking our start date here, and we're going to convert it over to into seconds. The timestamp in Unix maintains a running count of seconds. This is seconds. The count begins at the Unix Epoch on January 1st, 1970. Therefore, the Unix timestamp is the number of seconds between a specific date in the Unix Epoch. Since the date contains 86,400 seconds, 24 times 60 times 60, it's possible to convert Unix over to Excel. Here, B5 minus date 1970-11 times 86.4. That's it. Here we go. B5. This is going to be 47186, and we're going to subtract that by the conversion date is 569 days. So we're taking this date minus 1970 date, multiply that times seconds. We've been doing this repeatedly using the date function, and here we're just taking Excel time and just putting it into seconds. And Unix is happy. To convert it back, simple math is saying just divide C5 by seconds plus the dates, 1970. So we're adding all this back. And the date is 25569. And this right here should convert over. We're going to take this and add it, and we get our dates. Brad Williams, Excel primed.